When should you create a business plan? A business plan is a living, breathing document that will grow and change along with your business. When first starting a new business, it helps to determine if you have a good financially viable idea. At the beginning of each year, it helps you to plan out your goals and strategies. Of course, if you need to raise money, people will want to see a detailed plan. However, remember that you need to revisit your business plan regularly. As market conditions change, laws and regulations change, or you aren't seeing the results you expected, then it's time to adjust your plans. Use it as your guide and refer to it often as you plan each week, but don't let it restrict you either. Your business plan serves as your blueprint for success, and everyone running a business can benefit from creating one, whether you are working online or offline. It doesn't have to be the long, formal document that many business organizations prescribe. Instead, let the level of detail be determined by how complicated your business is and whether you need outside funding. Let the level of detail be determined by how complicated your business is and whether you need outside funding.